What is going on, everybody? Ivan here, and today we're going to cover Kajabi, which is one of the most powerful course platforms out there. Now, whether you guys are creators or just trying to connect with your audience in a meaningful way, Kajabi has so many different features for you to do just that. Ranging from courses to podcasts to communities, Kajabi kind of has it all when it comes to this space. So right now, if you guys are thinking about launching a course or a podcast or even have a deeper relationship with your guys' community, stick around as we're going to go through different features that range from marketing to the CRM of what Kajabi offers and exactly how it can help you guys' business. Now, first, to understand Kajabi, let's go through the pricing page and see exactly what it offers. The reason why I want to start with this first is because there's so many different plans out there, so we want to see all the different features side by side against one another so we see exactly which plan is going to be right for us. Now, right off the bat, if you're just starting out, the Kickstarter or the basic plan is going to be the right option for you just because they're not going to have as many products included into them. And I'm guessing for most of you, if you're just starting out, you probably don't need 50 different products on your guys' Kajabi account. You're probably in the stage where you're just trying different things out to make sure that the ROI is there before we're actually jumping full head in first into the growth suite of the Kajabi's platform. And with the Kickstarter and the basic plans, the reason why I think they're so great is because, again, they have that 1 or 3 products included into them already, so you can try different things out, as well as the funnels with 1 funnel for the Kickstarter or the basic plan with the 3 funnels included. I personally think that the basic package is going to be a little better of a deal just because it includes unlimited landing pages and marketing emails, which is going to be really important when landing you guys' first couple of clients. But again, for example, if you guys have a YouTube channel or something like that, you have a very loyal following and you feel like you don't need as many marketing emails, the Kickstarter may just do the job. However, for most of you guys, we do need some of those marketing efforts to actually help us to grow our database and our platform. So that's why I think the basic plan is going to be the best for you guys if you're actually just starting out and kind of testing different things to see what works and what doesn't. In addition to that, Kajabi does a really good job with its AI features or even the Creator Studio that it launched not too long ago. But yeah, unless you're planning to have a lot of different products, right, the basic plan is going to be really good for you just because for most of the things out here, it's going to have an unlimited amount except for products and funnels, which you're probably not going to need too many of if you're just getting started out. Now let's talk about who Kajabi's platform is for. Now there are a ton of different marketing solutions, but what makes Kajabi stand apart from everybody else is that you can actually host your own courses, podcasts, all within one platform here. So if your product is a course, podcast, or you have your own community right within it, you can actually keep it all inside of Kajabi instead of juggling different platforms. And that's what makes Kajabi so great because there's no need to bounce around and you can have data all in one place. So growing your business is going to be a lot easier. Here's an example of why this is important. Like all you guys as customers are going to live in one space in the Kajabi workspace. And if we're sending marketing emails, we don't have to jump around different platforms. You just do it in one place and all the data is right there in front of you guys. And honestly, I'm probably not the first person to tell you guys this, but in this day and age, data is everything when it comes to winning and standing out in your guys' business. Now let's go ahead and dive right in to see what exact features Kajabi actually offers. Now the main bread and butter, or where most people spend most of their time, is going to be the product section right over here. If we go ahead and open it up, we see that there's different kinds of products that we can actually host here, ranging from courses, coaching, community, or podcasts. As you guys see, the goal here is to nurture you guys' existing audience, but at the same time get more folks coming through the door, and we can do that through different newsletters, podcasts, and just giving value to our audience. And look, all the communications, materials, and videos, or even like Zoom meetings can be all set inside of the Kajabi's platform, so you don't need to leave out of it. That makes it really convenient for both parties, making it really nice so we don't have to jump around different platforms and get lost in the weeds there. But when it comes to creating your guys' course, it's really straightforward. Just go ahead and create on the courses button right over here, press get started. And again, there's no technical knowledge that's needed. All we got to do is just enter basic information here. Let's say we're selling poker tutorials and a brief description about our product. Let's go ahead and press next. And from here, you can actually customize your guys' brands when it comes to a thumbnail and color perspective. So once you guys got that locked in, press next. Again, you can easily select it to be a free or a paid course. In this case, let's just make it free. And the cool part about Kajabi is that it has so many different AI tools. So what it's doing right now is that it's going to give us a basic outline behind our course, making it super easy for you guys to edit it instead of just starting from scratch. And here's what I mean, you guys. As we're talking right now, it's actually generating the course outline for us, ranging from introduction to poker strategies to advanced poker techniques. And you can actually modify each one of those lessons within it. It's also helping us out with a landing page and an email email strategy as well. And that way, if you guys just don't know where to start, Kajabi can do a really good job of building a basic structure for you guys so you don't get lost. And later on, if you are looking for extra help, you can just go ahead and use an AI assistant and it can help you guys pretty much make whatever you guys want. But here's the cool part. Whenever we actually press add content right over here, we can add a module, submodule, lesson, or whatever it is. Let's go ahead and add a lesson here. Let's make our title bluffing, and it's going to be in the introduction to poker module. Let's go ahead and create lesson. And once you guys are in the editing tool, Kajabi does a really good job of being really straightforward because you can customize it to a very large extent. Like right over here, if we want to go ahead and modify our lesson, we can just easily go ahead and type whatever we want in, add a video or an audio section to it as well, or even a thumbnail to go ahead and customize the user experience. And honestly, ease of use is kind of the whole theme behind the entire Kajabi's platform. And when I say easy, let's check out one of the other products that Kajabi offers. Let's go ahead and go to coaching and press get started. And once you guys are here, again, super straightforward as always. Go ahead and add your guys' title, name of the coach, description, and the thumbnail image as well. Let's go ahead and name it Poker Hands, press continue, and boom. Here we can go ahead and select one-on-one coaching or group coaching. So that kind of shows you that Kajabi is literally made for creators or folks that are looking to do this kind of business. Let's go ahead and we're going to add 2 sessions. And look, no need to jump around between Google Calendar or Zoom. You can go ahead and upload all the videos here or even schedule them all within the Kajabi's platform. You guys see what I mean? Honestly, this ease of use kind of applies to the entire platform, ranging from making you guys' podcast to community to actually newsletter, which allows your guys' community go ahead and pretty much engage with you guys on so many different levels. So you can go ahead and nurture relationships with them to a very deep extent. And again, all of you guys' finance stuff, so actually collecting the payments and kind of customizing it all the way from a single payment to a reoccurring, you can also do it and set it up within your guys' platform. And Kajabi does a really easy job of making it easy for you. Most payment providers do work with Kajabi, but once we go to the offer stage right over here, we can actually see all of our purchases, net revenue, and pretty much see exactly what condition is our business in when it comes to our sales. Here, you can actually see one by one how each product is performing, and that way you can go ahead and kind of double down on the products that are doing well or decrease your guys' spend on the products that are not doing so hot. And the cool part about this, as you guys are scaling your guys' business, a lot of different things like post-purchase emails and kind of following up with prospects can be done for you, because if we go to the offer stage right over here and kind of scroll down, if we click on a specific offer, a lot of different things can be automated, making it much easier for you guys as you have grow in size, get more customers, as they're going to reduce a lot of headache and keep customer satisfaction up. This way, you guys as customers never feel like they're alone, as they can go ahead and get an email right away whenever they actually sign up for you guys' course. And from there, you guys can actually go ahead and restrict the course to an X amount of days so people kind of just don't jump over the wagon there. And when it comes to modification from a payment point of view, like coupons, discounts, again, Kajabi has it all in one place. Just go ahead and modify it. So it's super easy. You don't have to do it on Stripe or other applications. Now, the other neat part about Kajabi is we can actually develop website and landing pages. So the person that actually interacts with you guys' content is actually interacting with something that's natively stored inside of Kajabi. So let's go ahead and go in the landing page and see the one that was generated for poker. Let's go ahead and click on it. And look, check it out. Look how personalized this thing already is. I literally did zero work and it's already giving me very custom language, like trying a poker through different books and failing, which is a true story, by the way. Again, if you want to modify this content, everything is drag and drop, and all the different platforms is kind of the exact same way. So Kajabi is no different. Super easy to use. Just go ahead and drag drop it, making it really convenient for you guys. And there's a ton of different things ranging from blog posts to assessments, audio, call to actions, countdowns, widgets, etc. You name it. The quote I've always lived by is, once you've actually kind of built out a landing page or a funnel builder, you use one of them, a lot of times you can just use them all, right? They're very similar across different platforms. And in this case, similar is good because you guys are not going to have a hard time whenever you're actually learning the platform. But again, the modification and drag and drop technology can be used across website pages, landing pages, blogs, you name it, right? So pretty much anything custom that you need or what's actually facing towards a client, you got it right in front of them. And that also applies to your guys' funnels. So if you are trying to grow your audience base, right? So outside of you guys' social channels, if we are trying to get more folks to interact with you guys' content and actually add them as a marketing contact, I'll go ahead and create one of these bad boys, as it can help you tremendously with it. To do so, go ahead and press get started. And again, with the different funnels, they all have their different goals, such as a wait list, a freebie, right? Sales page, product launch. Again, pick the one that applies to you specifically. Let's go ahead and choose a product launch, as we are ready to become poker gods. Boom, the title is going to be poker tutorial with poker. Let's go ahead and create a funnel. And notice everything is associated with one another, so they kind of all talk to each other, and that's why having an all-in-one platform is really nice. And as you guys see, Kajabi just developed this sick funnel for us, and it's kind of a drip of different steps that's going to help us convert more customers into our marketing contacts and later on customers. So in our first step, it's going to be an opt-in. Then it's going to go ahead and send out 10 different emails through a sequence that's enrolled. And of course, we can modify each step of the way as well. And boom, from there is going to give us a first value add, then the second one, third one. Again, you get the point, right? What I'm trying to say here is that building a funnel is really straightforward, really customizable. And what you can do is associate different assets with one another, all within Kajabi's platform. Because think about it, when it comes to value adds, you already have so much stuff inside of the Kajabi's platform, you might as well use it for you guys' marketing efforts. And again, all the different stats when it comes to conversion rates, revenue, right? Revenue per view can all be seen right over here as well. And you can see step by step of exactly what's going on, who's opting in, who's opting out. And as folks are interacting with your guys' content, you can go ahead and see in an individual contact level point of view here by pressing on all contacts or insights and see exactly what it's all about. Like, think about this as you guys' mini CRM. Like, it's not going to be as complex as HubSpot, but at the same time, it's going to do the job when it comes to kind of marketing for you guys' courses, coaching sessions, or you guys' podcasts. Like, the whole goal here is for your audience to feel some sort of value through you guys' content, and that kind of leads them through the funnel of interacting with you guys' marketing content to actually later on becoming paying customers. And through tracking your guys' customer journey, all you got to do is just go to the analytics tab right over here, and you can literally see all you guys' net revenue, subscription metrics, page views, opt-ins, product progress, etc. Use this analytics tab to see the progress that you guys are making, and that will help you guys see exactly what works and what doesn't. And that's why having all that data in one place is going to be really handy, because that way, whatever is working, right? If podcasts are bringing us a ton of people, giving a ton of value, double down on that specific thing. Again, there's no need to make a landing page just because it looks cool, everybody's doing it. If podcasts are working for you, just do that exact thing again. And that's the whole point of doing A/B testing, because we want to see exactly what is working for you. And one of Kajabi's newer features, their Creator Studio, makes it much easier to, again, connect all you guys' social media, again, share different clips, and grow you guys' audience along the way. Alrighty guys, that was an overview of the Kajabi platform and exactly how you guys can use it for your guys' business. Now, if you do want to try out the platform for yourself, check out the link down in the description, because that's going to give you an additional 2 weeks to your guys' trial instead of the regular 14 days that you can actually get through the Kajabi's website. And in addition to that, it tremendously helps support the channel. So if you do decide to use Kajabi, follow the link down in the description so we can make more free content like this. Now, once you guys have clicked on the link below, just enter in the email that you guys want to use for the trial. And once the email's in, just go ahead and enter your guys' first name, last name, and payment information. And again, it's not going to charge you for the first 30 days. So you guys have a good amount of time to actually try out the platform. And boom, once all that information is in, your trial is going to be ready to go. And one quick step, you just got to verify your email and you're almost done. And the cool thing about Kajabi is once you go through the verification process, it's going to ask you a couple questions. And with that information, Kajabi, what it actually can do is customize a platform to your guys' exact needs with the questions you guys answered. So make sure to go through them honestly. But again, just for example purposes, I'm going to go ahead and run through this. Boom, boom, boom. And once all that information is in, I'm going to press continue, put your guys' home address, and voila, you guys are now ready to change the world one person at a time. And there you guys have it. That was a total overview over the Kajabi's platform. As you guys saw, if your business revolves around making a course or developing a community, Kajabi is going to be a no-brainer for you. Having all those interactions in one place, or even having your own branded app connected to it as well, is going to be a game changer to people feeling like they're part of your guys' tribe. Because look, at the end of the day, it's all about giving value to your guys' audience, and we can easily do that through the Kajabi's platform. Whether you guys are launching your first lesson or you're just dabbling within podcasts, if you're looking to grow some side passive income with it, I will go ahead and try out Kajabi, as it can do a huge difference to you guys' business. And the best part about it is that it's super scalable, so it doesn't matter if you have 10 marketing contacts or 1 million, as it can actually grow with you guys. Now, if you guys did get some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.